Hello, friends. It's Danny here of Danny's Dreams, and it is day 17 of my tag a day November. For today's tag, I used the Sunny Studio Build a Tag 2 dies. I used some paper from Unity stamps that I won. I have to say I'd never used their papers before, and they are really thick, heavyweight, nice papers. I was excited to try them since I won them. And then I used the Sweet November Stamps Harvest Wishes stamp set. I just adore these little mice, and it was super fun to get out, and I can't wait to get it back out and make some cards, hopefully. I've decided that I'm not very good at making cards like for the season that we're in. Like, we're in winter, and I want to make autumn. Well, I guess we're kind of still in autumn. It's not officially winter yet. We had our first snow today, so I kind of feel winterish. But like, I want to make spring cards, and I want to make autumn cards. I guess it doesn't really matter when we make cards, right? As long as we make them. Anyways, sorry to keep rambling. Here is my tag for today. How adorable is that little mouse? I just love him. I used some twine for the top because I thought it just went with him and the theme a little bit better. Just some cardstock on the back. And I just love him so much. I just want to hug him and squeeze him and call him George. If you're from my generation, you might remember that from Looney Tunes. And that's one of my favorite cartoons. Anyways, there is my tag for day 17. And I hope that you are having a wonderful day. I will see you back here for another tag tomorrow. Thanks so much for stopping by, and go do something crafty.